Hey guys, thanks for joining the Hairbow Master. Today we're going to be making these beautiful windmill flowers. You're going to need 8 pieces of 2 different color pieces of ribbon that are 5/8 inches in width or 1.5 centimeters. And the length is going to be 4 inches or 10 centimeters. We're also going to need 3 pieces of felt that are each 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters in width, and an embellishment will also be 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters in width. Okay, we're going to take our pieces of ribbon, we're going to fold them in half, and you can use a lighter to put a crease in them, or I like to use my hair straightener because it's faster. Once you've done that to all of your pieces, you're going to open them up and you're going to slide your darker color in between so that it's in between and underneath the lighter color. And then take the ends, put them together, and you're going to melt them together with your lighter. So just run your lighter along there and pinch them down so that they stick together. And then you're going to do the same thing for your lighter ribbon as well, and that way they won't come apart. Alright, with your light color on the left and your dark color on the right, you're going to take your darker color and go over the top of your lighter color so that both of the bottoms line up with each other. And then hold those really well in place and open it up and put some hot glue just along the bottom edge and put both of the ribbons together. And you're going to do the same thing for all of your ribbons so that you have 8 petals. Once you've got all your petals done, put a little bit of hot glue in the bottom right corner of one petal and stick the next petal to it, making sure that it's angled just a little bit. And when you're putting all your petals on, make sure that the space in between the tops of the petals are pretty even so that your flower looks nice. And once you get to the end and put your last petal on, we're going to put a little bit of glue on that bottom right corner as well, and then take the other side of the petals and stick it to it so you make a circle. Now we're going to turn it over and put our piece of felt, one of the black felts, on the back, and then turn it over and put the lighter color onto the top and put glue all over it so that it sticks a little to the one on the back as well. And this is going to act as our base for our embellishment. So take your jewelry and metal type glue. I'm using the Quick Grip by Beacon, and put that on both your felt and the back of your clip or your embellishment, and then put some hot glue in the center, and that will hold it while the other glue dries. Now with your other piece of felt, you're just going to cut 2 slits into the center, make them even from the edges and in between each other, and this is going to act as our base to put our alligator clip through. So just slide your alligator through the 2 notches or the 2 slices, and then we're going to put hot glue all over the top of our felt piece and onto that little piece showing of the alligator clip, and then stick it onto the other piece of felt that you have on the back. And that's all there is to this simple little windmill flower. Thanks for joining the Hairbow Master, and I will see you in the next video.